Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. In July 2024, the German Navy began phasing out floppy disk from its operations, marking the end of an era for the outdated technology. This is Vermilo Chicken Dinner Keyboard only for serious PUBG player. Price $131 to $149. Kate Ward and her stray dogs in England in 1962. She never turned a stray dog away, taking care of more than 600 dogs in her lifetime. Personnel emergency non-computerized information lifesaver. Betty White dressed in vintage 1940s clothing to celebrate the 75th Tournament of Roses 1963. A baby lamb snuggles up to a sleeping boy March 16, 1940. Ships traveling through icy waters can gain plus 40% weight from snow on the deck. 3D projection onto trees is an actual thing. Wet runways can cause planes to overrun by over 700 meters, 2,300 feet. 40,000 monks praying for the peace of humanity. The Kiel Canal shortens the journey by 460 km by passing Denmark's Jutland Peninsula. A clean plane can improve aerodynamics by 15%, saving $20,000 per flight. After a space rocket lands in water, astronauts have 40 seconds to escape before it sinks. Modern planes are designed to fly 4 hours with only one turbine and land safely. The Erie Canal reduced travel cost by 95% in the 19th century. The longest line of sight on Earth is 250 miles in the Middle East that only looks 50 miles for the human eye. Suez Canal saves ships an incredible 7,000 km of travel between East and West. The Strait of Malacca handles 30% of the world's traded goods. If ears did not evolve, humans would not know there was sound, so it's possible there are things going on around us in which we don't have a body part to decipher it. The Strait of Hormuz connects 30% of the world's oil and 20% of LNG to global markets. Clicking pens are annoying unless you are the one clicking them. Yes, they are comfortable, but they should not be worn for a long time as it causes muscle cramps and provides no support. One tactic that Genghis Khan used to make his army strong was to find out the best warriors among his enemies and bring them into his army. Publishing a top 500 taxpayers list instead of top 500 richest people list would breed a healthier competition. In some US states like Minnesota and Vermont, walking away from an emergency could get you fined up to $100. Simply calling 911 counts as help, and Good Samaritan laws protect those who physically help. If you hate onions because you did not like them as a kid, you are essentially an adult who allows an 8-year-old to make decisions for you. Ancient Rome was 6 times more densely populated than the current population of New York City. Exercising is basically hurting yourself until you build up an immunity to hurting yourself. Wood was extremely important to the Norse people. Vikings believed that the fabric of the universe itself was held together by an immense tree which connected the nine worlds. All the materials needed to create today's technology has existed since the beginning of Earth. They just were not properly put together yet. Vikings brought ravens aboard their ships, then released them and sailed in the same direction to find land. The raven was so important to them that it became the symbol on their flag. A blind high school quarterback in California memorizes plays and relies on his father's sideline instructions via walkie talkie, guiding him through the game and helping him navigate the field. Hulagu Khan was a grandson of Genghis Khan. Hulagu marched out with perhaps the largest Mongol army ever assembled. Two-tenths of the empire's fighting men were gathered for Hulagu's army. Abraham Lincoln. Humble beginnings. A passion for law. Entry into politics. The Emancipation Proclamation. The Lincoln-Dulles debates. Becoming president. Leading through the Civil War. Legacy of leadership. Thanks for watching.